SOHO is a satellite that stands between the Earth and the Sun, moving in an ellipse around a Lagrange point. In this way, the SOHO satellite can always keep the Sun in view. Planet X is approaching Earth from the right in a retrograde orbit. The planet is winged by two dominant moon swirls and has a vast tail with many more moons. This winged globe is often captured on SOHO, though NASA tries to airbrush it out of the images released to the public. The ellipse path of the SOHO satellite, which moves below and above the ecliptic, as well as back and forth, causes the Planet X complex to appear in different spots on the SOHO images. This is represented on the diagrams at left, the view from SOHO. On the right is the view from overhead, showing the relationship of the Planet X complex to the Earth itself. Because of the ellipse path of the satellite, what is seen on the SOHO images might be Planet X itself, a moon swirl tube seen from the side, or any combination of these elements. Both Planet X and the Earth are bobbing about, as both are magnetic planets, and the gravity repulsion force prevents them from direct contact. Nevertheless, Planet X is the stronger magnet and is steadily outbound. Because both planets are in motion, the view from the SOHO satellite is not fixed, and NASA has difficulty knowing where the Planet X complex might appear. The public often asks where Planet X lies, and in the view from Earth. The general statement is that it can be found at the 4 o'clock position when seen from the northern hemisphere. But for the southern hemisphere, Planet X position is more likely to be found in the 11 o'clock position. The lean of the ecliptic also affects the position. But in the SOHO images, due to the motion of the Earth and the ellipse around the Lagrange point, Planet X might be found to the right or left, and even above the Sun. But the appearance is unmistakable. It is not a meteor, not one of the other planets passing behind or in front of the Sun, as these have an appearance like Saturn, a round circle with a ring around it. None of the planets have drifting tails. Confusion exists as the SOHO images try to paint the picture that the Earth orbit is intact when it has halted. NASA now paints the constellations behind the Sun and paints in the other planets as they are due to pass the Sun in view. The only valid information being provided by SOHO is thus the Sun and solar flares and Planet X elements. All else is painted by NASA.